So what's up guys, and this is CJ Diza, and today we're gonna have our new vlog. Because in this vlog, we will make Royal Air Force Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport aircraft. This is the UK Prime Minister's airplane and also King Charles III. So before that, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to always updated for my new videos. And start it now. So guys, this is our finished product, the Royal Air Force Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport aircraft. This is the UK Prime Minister's plane and also King Charles III. So guys, that is our video for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye and stay safe everyone.